Good morning, class 2. Hope class 2 you all are fine. So, children, yesterday was a holiday. So, today is your class. I'm making the video. You all please look. So, you see in the last class, we have talked about okay, we have talked about color groups. So, there are different colors are there. We have talked about tools group, shape groups. Okay, now see. So, we have already learned about your tools group. We have learned. Okay, we have learned about tools groups. We have learned about shape groups. Okay, so tools group, shape group we have already learned. So in your tools groups, okay, you have pencil, eraser, magnifier, text, color picker. So these all we have already discussed, children. So pencil is used for, again I'm saying you once more time. Okay, once more I'm telling you so that it will be a revise for you all. So children, pencil is used for writing and drawing purposes. Okay, eraser. Children, eraser is used for erasing. Okay, you want to erase the pictures, you want to erase any text means you have written anything that you can erase it. Magnifier is there, so magnifier is to see a drawing, okay, in large size. So you suppose you have made a very small mango, okay, now you want to see it in a very large size, so with a magnifier, okay, you can see it in a large size. Brushes, so there are different kinds of brushes are there, okay, to draw with a free movement drawing you can do free hand movement. Okay, so free hand movement brush, very nice it is. So next is your text means where you can select and write. Suppose apple you have drawn, or mango you have drawn, or grapes you have drawn, any fruits you have drawn, or house, whatever you have drawn. Okay, suppose you have drawn mango, you want to write a name. So what you can do in the tools group, you can click on the text and after that a box will come. So in that box you can write mango. Okay, you can type it from your keyboard and click it, so this line will get removed. Okay, so you see what it will become. So the spelling of mango. Okay, so with the help of text we can write down. Color picker, children. Color picker used to pick color from any object. So from any object, from any things you can pick up the colors when you are doing practical in your computer, children. Okay, this color picker I cannot show you on the blackboard. This is not a computer. Okay, so when you are using in a computer color picker, so from any object you can pick up the color. Next comes a curve. Okay, curve is there. Okay, so you will see like this shape also, curve. So this is used to draw a curved line. So suppose you have to make a curved line, okay, like this curve or like this curve. Okay, so you will use this curved line. Okay, so if you want to draw a curved line, so at that time you will use this curve. After that you have polygon. So polygon is used to draw closed plane figures bound by straight line. So this polygon is there. Okay, so you have a polygons are there. So with this polygon, what you can draw, polygon. So children, with the polygon what you can draw, you can draw a closed plane figure, okay, by straight line. So any figure you want to make, any house and all you have to make, so at that time you can use this polygon, okay, for making different types of drawing. So you see children, these all. So children, so all this, okay, so pencil, eraser, magnifier, brushes, text, color picker, curve, polygon, so these all, okay, you will get in your, where you will get in a tools, okay, in tools. So in tool group you will get it. So in tools groups you will get all this curve. So you, while you are making a drawing, okay, at that time you can use all this. Okay children, so at home if you have a computer also, so you can do it as a practical. Okay, nowadays you see children, So children, so now we are going to do using eraser. Okay, now see, with using eraser what we can do it that we are going to see. Okay, using eraser what we can do it. So now the topic is using, okay, using eraser. So let's see, using eraser what else can be done. Okay, now it is possible to erase the whole or a part of your drawing in paint. So children, when you're making a drawing in a paint, okay, so a part of the drawing, half, full, 1/4, okay, so whatever part you can erase it, or full you want to erase, you can erase it with your eraser. Okay, now to erase the whole part or a part of the drawing, you have to follow some steps, children. So click on the eraser tools. You have to click on the eraser from the tool group. Okay, and then you have to move, you have to drag the eraser on that part of the drawing that you want to erase it. Okay, for example children, please look at the blackboard. Okay, suppose this is your computer. Okay, here is your tool group. So here your, suppose here eraser is there. Okay, eraser is there. Now children, suppose you have made what I'll say, suppose you made a tree. Okay, suppose you made a tree. Now you have put a color also. See, you have put color also, children. Okay, you made a tree. After making a tree, okay, suppose you have put colors. Okay, now, so this is your tree. Now children, suppose you want to rub it. You want to rub half, or you want to rub, suppose this part, I want to rub this part, this is color is not there. Okay, suppose you want to do, so what you will do children? Okay, so in a tool group there is a eraser is there. So what you will do, with your mouse you will click the eraser. What you will do children? You will click with a left click. Okay, you will click once. Okay, then you will bring the mouse. Okay, press left mouse button and slowly drag the eraser. Okay, don't leave your finger from the mouse. Okay, on the left side, then slowly you drag the mouse. So what will happen? Your drawing slowly you will move. Okay, you drag it, so you will see slowly your drawing will get erased. Okay, when it will get erased, you will see completely your tree has vanished. Okay, so how we use the eraser on a copy, or okay, when we do any mistakes. Okay, same way children, when you do a drawing, part of the drawing or full drawing, you can erase with the help of a eraser. Okay children, okay, so you will click on eraser from the tool group. You all know only class 2 children, because you all have done it in class 1 also. Okay, many were using the eraser also. Okay, so fun it is to use the eraser. Okay, next is drawing a picture. Now next topic is children, drawing a picture. Now see children, you all have already drawn many pictures also. You love to draw pictures. Okay, so let's see the new topic, drawing a picture. Okay, now how you are going to draw the picture? Now first you will click home tab. In home tab, you know, at the top home tab will be there. So there pencil is also there from the tool group. Okay, you will click the pencil and then you can draw a line. Okay, so everything you can do it. So you see up. Okay, so there is a pencil is there. I'm just drawing roughly. This is pencil. Okay, so you can click the pencil, you can draw a line, whatever you want to draw. Okay, do you understand children? After that, what you do? Okay, then you see there is a brush is there in the tool group. Brushes are also there. Brushes are there. You click there, so many brush will come. Okay, then you click the brush. So according to your drawing, you see, then draw the stem and branches as shown. So you want to draw a tree, then what you will do, you will draw the branches and the tree. So with the help of brushes you can draw branches and trees, branches. Okay, now what you will do, children, to draw the leaves, what you will take? Okay, to draw the leaves you will take the curve from the shape tools. So your shape tool is there, the curve you will take. This is your curve. You will take the curve, okay, and you will click it and you will draw the leaves. Okay, you will draw the leaves. Slowly you will draw the leaves. Okay, so now what you will do, you will click on the line that is here, and then move your mouse. Okay, drag upward. You will drag the mouse upward. So when you will drag the mouse upward, so you see your leaves, half leaves will be formed. Okay, half curve will form. Then from the down also you have to draw a line, drag from the downward. So from the downward, come here, and again you draw half. So you see your leaf will be formed. In that same way, all the leaves you will draw. Okay, in the same way, all the leaves you can draw. Okay, wherever you want you can draw the leaves. Okay, now everywhere we don't want the leaves. Okay, now see, so with the help of curve you will draw the leaves. Now repeat, okay, 6 to 9 times. Okay, repeat this up, down, and you draw the leaves. Again you take a pencil. Okay, so from the tool group you click a pencil and try to draw, okay, the different parts of your, okay, try to draw the different part of your flower tree. That is, you can draw fruits, you can draw flower, you can draw soil. Okay, so many things you can draw it. Okay, children, so suppose we are making, so you have click a flower, click a pencil, then you can, okay, with the help of pencil you can draw flowers. Okay, then you can draw, suppose some fruits are there. Okay, then you want to make a soil. Okay, this is soil, no need to write. Leaves, so flower it became, fruits it became. Here also you can draw the fruits, leaves it became. So you see, with the help of pencil you can draw this all. Okay, after that you see, you can click in the toolbar and you can take the magnifier, and with the help of magnifier you can see, okay, you can see that you can make the image, the drawing larger, and you can see if you have done any mistake or not. Okay, so you can use the magnifier and make the area large. Okay, so you see here they have used magnifier and they saw that the line is not straight, so you can use the polygon and you can make the line straight also. Okay, now next is, so click on the point 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 on the drawing as shown there. So you see what you will do, children, you will use polygon. Okay, which shape you will use? You will use polygon. From the shape tool, draw a line as shown and click on different point. Okay, so you will, here you will click on different point, and with the help of polygon you will draw the roots. Okay, so it's a blackboard, so I'm drawing and showing you. You can do betterly, you can do very properly in a computer only, children. Okay, so you see, so you will click, okay, many times, and you will draw the roots of the plant. And then you can use again magnifier and you can see whether your drawing become perfect or not. Okay, if any line is not missed or what, you can check it out with the magnifier. Okay, now see, your drawing is ready. Now you have to put color, children. So to put color, what you have to do, you have to go to fill with color. Okay, so you have to go to in tools group. There is a fill with color will be there. In tools group there is fill with color. So you'll go there. Okay, color is there. Click, and there will be so many colors. Okay, choose it. Okay, so what you will do, you will put green color in the leaf. Okay, you will put green color on the leaves. Okay, after that, suppose flower is pink, you will put pink color on the flowers. Suppose you have drawn brinjal, then you will put colors. Okay, so in this way you can put different colors and you can make your drawing very interesting. Okay children, so today we have learned how to draw a tree. So if you have a computer at home, you can practice it. Okay children, thank you for today.